Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rin. In today's video, I will share my journey on how I cleared my skin. So I have very oily skin and I was very much prone to acne, and for many years when I was growing up, that is my teenage to adolescent years, I was suffering a lot from acne, and even now sometimes I used to get them, but they seem to be very stubborn. They used to leave all these bad marks on my face and they used to stay for a while. So for a long time I was searching for something which was, Ayurvedic, plant-based, chemical-free, and I finally found some products from Mystic Livings which really helped me to get what you see today, which is a clear skin. So if you want to know all the details about Mystic Living Anti-Acne Kit, please keep on watching. So I was doing a lot of research when I was searching for something which would be, free from chemicals, free from toxins, which would be more plant-based, and that is how I discovered this range, which is the Mystic Living range. And all their products are amazing. They are all toxin-free, chemical-free. They are Ayurvedic. There's no paraben, no silicone, and they are even cruelty-free. So this range has 3 products. So first is their toner, which is the Toner Calm Face Mist. Then I also have their face mask. It is their Clarity face mask, and I also have a Clarity day and night gel. Products I was using earlier for combating my acne was not chemical free. So what was happening is the result did not last very long. I used to keep getting back the acne. So I made sure that I find something which is free from all these harmful chemicals, and that is why I stuck to Mystic Livings. So after using it for 30 days, I can clearly see the results, which are very long lasting. I do not get any more acne on my face at all, and you can see my face is fully clear and it does not have any sort of acne or acne marks or any texture. It's smooth and clear. So I will take you guys through each and every product from this anti-acne kit, how to use them and what are their benefits, so you guys have an in-depth knowledge of each of the product and what their benefits are. I'll start off with the toner. So this is the Mystic Living Clarity Toner and Face Mist. This is a 200 ml bottle. The packaging is very good. The cap that we get is very secured, and once I open it, it comes with a spray nozzle. The spray is also very premium quality. So when I spritz it, the distribution is very even. You can see over here. You can see it distributes very evenly. So this can cover my face in 2 to 3 spritz, and as soon as I spray it on my face feels so calmed down and so refreshed. This smells very refreshing as well. As soon as I apply it, I feel very energized. It comes with green tea, Gotu Kola and tea tree. So green tea is a very powerful ingredient which helps in sebum control. It also clears the pores. It calms down your acne. The tea tree present in it helps to kill any sort of anti-causing bacteria. The Gotu Kola helps in keeping your skin tighter and firmer. So I spray it directly on my face and neck, or moisten cotton pad with it and sweep gently over the face and neck. Then I leave it to air dry, and I also make sure that I do not rush to wipe it off, because then it will not do its charm. Next I have the Clarity face mask. Now this one claims that it can fight your acne, it can clarify your skin, and it will also help in fading any sort of marks and scars which are left by the acne. Now this one also has green tea, tea tree, neem and basil. So green tea again is a very powerful antioxidant which will help in controlling your sebum excretion. The neem and basil present in it are actually excellent purifying agents which will help in revitalizing your acne prone skin. So before using this mask, I clean my face and neck thoroughly with water and I pat dry. Then I apply the mask on my face and my neck evenly with the help of brush. I wait for it to get completely dry, and then I wash it off with water and move on to moisturization. So once I'm done with the toner and the face mask, I move on to the day and night gel. So this one also helps in combating acne, sebum balance and clarifying your skin. It again has very amazing products, which is green tea, tea tree and chamomile. Now I've already mentioned the benefits of green tea and tea tree earlier. As for the chamomile, it has anti-inflammatory properties which helps in getting rid of any sort of scars, marks or spots that is left behind by an acne. So this is a 50 grams tub, and once I open this, I have the gel over here, which is a green colored beautiful gel, and it is very light in texture. It gets very easily absorbed into the skin as well. So before applying this gel, I make sure that my face is squeaky clean, and I take the necessary amount, apply it evenly all over my face and neck, and wait for the gel to get completely absorbed into my skin. And you can see once the gel is completely absorbed into my skin, my face instantly starts glowing from within. It feels so glowy and so nourished and well hydrated as well. So that was all the details about the anti-acne kit from Mystic Livings. Now after using it for a month, I can clearly see great results. My face, as you can see, is completely clear and free from any sort of acne or even acne spots and marks. That's why I am going to highly recommend this kit to all of you, especially if you are searching for something which is free from chemicals, paraben, toxins and Ayurvedic plant-based. Now what this will do is it will help in giving you long-lasting results. At least that is what I have faced in my experience. Now if you are interested in these, then you can definitely check my description box. All the necessary details and links to these products will be mentioned down below, so make sure you click it. I hope this video was helpful and informative to all of you. If you have liked watching this video and want to watch more such content, please make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button down below. Also make sure that you hit the bell notification right beside it so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is @mysticallybrain. I am very active over there. There is so much exclusive content I put over there. So make sure you follow me. I'll be seeing you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye.